Good eye. Today let's do beautiful Australian pork cheesy sausage. For that I have 500 grams of pork mince. I have beautiful cheddar cheese, around say it's 50 grams, finely chopped. Half an onion finely chopped. Coriander leaves finely chopped with a little bit of mint leaves, just a handful. I have a homemade sausage, okay, which I'll use. Got some crushed pepper, 1.5 teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of salt because I have salted the cheese. I'm going to put some mixed herbs, and I've got beautiful lemon juice there and the lovely casing. Okay, this is from the butcher. So let's start doing this beautiful pork cheesy sausage. Beautiful homemade pork sausage, 50% fat, 50% meat, all nicely marinated in nice red chili powders, rice wine vinegar, and then we cured it. We dried it in the sun for 4 to 5 days, and now we'll chop them and add this for the beautiful pork cheesy sausage. All right. So let's quickly add all the ingredients together. The beautiful pork, coriander, and a little bit of mint leaves, the lovely chopped onions, and the lovely cheddar cheese. And also we'll put the mixed herbs. Okay, let's put some mixed herbs, and finally we will drop in the lemon juice and the beautiful lemon juice for the savory taste, right? And the lovely crushed pepper and salt. Okay, let's mix all together. Okay, that way, mix all together. So it's all mixed and ready, and we will keep it to rest for say around 15-20 minutes. Make sure the casing, you tie a knot here, right? Sorry, tie a knot here, and then you start using the funnel, pushing it in, and then slowly managing to get the beautiful sausage. So the sausages are ready, and it's time to rest this bad boy in the fridge for a few hours. We can keep it in the fridge for say around 4 to 5 hours, and then we will fry them, shallow fry them in lovely beautiful cooking oil, or probably olive oil. There you go. Rest for maybe 5 hours. So the moment of truth. Let's now fry the sausages with olive oil. Okay, just a bit of olive oil. So here we go, one by one. Okay, we will fry maybe 4 for now, not too much. The rest we will fry after. Okay, one by one. There you go. After 2 minutes, very low flame. Let's watch it. Voila. Voila, 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 voila. Beautiful hot sausage. So guys, the beautiful Australian pork sausage with a lovely sweet twist. That was the moment of truth. Yeah. See that one? Beautiful, right? Cheers guys, enjoy.